Well, I hope everybody had a fantastic weekend, and we're going to be starting off the work week with some warm, breezy, and sunny conditions. So as you're heading out the door today, remember those sunglasses. This morning you'll need that jacket, but frankly, by this afternoon you won't be needing that jacket anymore. But we do have some light snow falling right now here at the studio, and we're going to continue to see moderate to heavy snow impact much of the heartland through much of your Tuesday. But it's not that windy out right now, but we are looking at some very blustery conditions moving into the area later on this afternoon into this evening and for tonight. Dodging a few showers later on this evening. You have plans to play some pickleball outside. Temperatures dropping from the 70s at 5 o'clock down to the mid 60s by 9 o'clock. So yes, by tonight you may need to have the umbrella and rain jacket with you once again. So over the next, we don't have any confirmation of that tornado on the ground. It's basically radar indicated at this point, but once again we do have that tornado warning in effect for another 10 minutes. It's a different day, same story, another gloomy one for us, but the rain has definitely been very beneficial to the heartland. At least we don't have any severe weather, knock on wood.
Exactly.
And hopefully we don't see any severe weather, knock on wood again, over the next couple of days.
Keep knocking on that wood. All right, Matt, thanks.
Day yesterday, we're looking at some breezy winds returning throughout much of your Thursday. Clouds will be increasing as well. We're looking at our first chance of showers and storms arriving tonight. That does not include the severe weather threat. However, that returns by tomorrow afternoon. Then once again, we're looking at the chance of some severe weather for Saturday afternoon and Sunday afternoon. And with just how much rainfall we're looking at, be aware of some flash flooding and for those rivers to get out of their banks. So we could be seeing some river flooding as well. But here's a live look now from our KTVO Skycam located on top of the Fairfield Arts and Convention Center, sponsored by Fessler Auto Mall. Temperatures outside right now are into the 40s. And yes, we are waking up with some cloud cover. There is a small chance of a stray shower or two by this afternoon, but most of our activity will be arriving tonight into Friday morning. But as the kids get dropped off of school, you're looking at temperatures generally into the mid to upper 40s, warming to near 60 degrees by lunchtime, into the low to mid 60s with a mix of sun and clouds and breezy conditions as the kids head home for school this afternoon. We're looking at high temperatures around 64 for Fairfield and Mount Pleasant, 64 in Milan today, 64 for Albia, 65 in Ottumwa. Those winds are going to be breezy once again out of the southeast between about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Gusting up to about 30 at times. So when can you expect those showers and storms to arrive? Once again, we do have a small opportunity of seeing a stray shower this afternoon, but the bulk of our first round of showers and storms will be arriving tonight into Friday morning, stopping here around 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. As you can see, we're looking at some moderate to heavy rainfall, so be sure to have the umbrella and that rain jacket with you. And then we're looking at that round moving out by lunchtime. Now, if we do see some clearing tomorrow afternoon, that's not a good sign for us. That means the atmosphere will get destabilized and we could be seeing some severe storms begin to pop up after 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Once again, the higher potential for those is off to the west of us. All of us are under a slight risk for severe weather for Friday as well as Saturday. What modes of severe weather are we looking at potentially impacting the heartland tomorrow? Strong winds, large hail, flash flooding, and we can't rule out possibly seeing some tornadoes with those storms tomorrow afternoon, primarily between about 3 o'clock and 8 o'clock on Friday. Saturday, once again, same story. All of the viewing area under that level 2, slight risk for severe weather. The greater potential once again to the west of the heartland. Sunday, we are under that highlighted area of concern for severe weather once again. So we have 3 rounds potentially seeing severe weather Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. With that being the case, all 3 of those days are weather warned days. Highs for Saturday and Sunday into the 70s. And then finally, some quieter weather returns for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, with some small rain chances returning by Tuesday night and Wednesday. Highs by Monday dipping back down to the mid 60s. So as always, you can stay updated 24/7 at KTVO.com or by downloading our KTVO weather app on either your Apple or Android device. Jordan.